was trying to throw it at
What
your
was
back,
it?
dude. It was a comb. I was trying to throw it at your back. Oh!
Stop!
Don't fucking throw that spoon. Stop, Brian, stop! Fuck, dude. Did you see that, Lisa? I just hit him straight in the head with a bacon.
Oh, you think that's funny? You know, I think it's funny hitting you with the spoon. Open that hair up.
Stop, Brian. Fuck, dude.
It's not funny when it's you, is it?